Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty, haul, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see that I am not wearing any makeup and ऐसा मैं तब करती हूँ जब मैं कुछ बेस products का review कर रही होती हूँ. But आज मेरे पास बहुत सारे products नहीं है. I'm going to review a few products from this brand named Plume. I think आपने Plume के बारे में बहुत सुना होगा because this is an Indian brand and ये काफी नया है मार्केट में. एंड काफी लोग इसको यूज कर चुके हैं तो मेरे को बहुत मन था इसको यूज करने का. वन मोर थिंग, प्लूम जो है वो अपने माइक्रोफाइबर स्पॉन्ज के लिए फेमस हुआ था. बट इस वीडियो में मेरे पास माइक्रोफाइबर स्पॉन्ज नहीं है बिकॉज मैंने बाय किया था बट नाउ आई कांट फाइंड इट. एंड इस वीडियो को करने में बहुत लेट ऑलरेडी हो चुकी हूं मैं. सो अगर मुझे माइक्रोफाइबर मिलता है तो आई विल मेक द वीडियो नेक्स्ट टाइम. बट आज मेरे पास 4 प्रोडक्ट है. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट ऑल प्रोडक्ट आई हैव. दिस इज देयर सिल्क ब्लर मॉइस्चराइजिंग प्राइमर. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो very what should I say, very famous primer on Instagram. Next I have their plush matte lipstick. Again it's a new launch. एंड उसके बाद जो है मेरे पास इनके 2 ब्रशेस हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. सो प्लूम जो है वो बेसिकली ब्रश, फेस ब्रश, मेकअप ब्रश बनाता है. उनकी कुछ लिपस्टिक्स भी हैं, उनका एक प्राइमर है एंड माइक्रोफाइबर स्पॉन्जेस हैं. एंड अभी दे आर वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो. सो वी विल सी कि फ्यूचर में क्या होता है. बाय द वे ऑल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर बॉट बाय माई ओन मनी. I just wanted to clear this out and let's get started. Let's test these products out. Yeah, let's get started. We'll start with their primer first. तो मेरे पास उनका ये silk blur moisturizing primer है. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It has this very pretty pink, pastel pink kind of outer packaging going on. And ये बोलते हैं that this is moisturizing primer with hyaluronic acid and avocado extract of 50 grams of product. And then let me tell you, it retails for 650 rupees. Yes, and you can use this up like you can use this within 2 years of its manufacturing date. Guys, this is 100% vegan and cruelty free, which I am so proud to tell you, and it is of course made in India. ठीक है, haven't tried this primer out because I wanted to try this out with you guys. By the way guys, जब मैंने इसको खरीदा था तो ये अच्छे खासे डिस्काउंट पे था. प्लस आई यूज सम क्रिएटर्स डिस्काउंट, तो मैंने उनका डिस्काउंट यूज कर लिया था तो मुझे काफी सस्ता मिल गया था. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट द इनर टब लुक्स लाइक. इजंट दिस सो प्रिटी? एंड ऐसा लग रहा है कि दिस इज सम क्रीम, मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम. एंड या, व्हेन यू ओपन दिस यू हैव दिस सेपरेटर. लेट मी रिमूव दिस एज वेल जस्ट टू शो यू हाउ दिस लुक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड. And from inside it looks like a cream. Literally it is looking like a cream. Wow. Smells like Pond's का जो cream आता था, you remember the cold cream? तो उसी तरीके का इसका smell है. So let me just do one thing. I have moisturized my face with Squalene. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a little bit. I don't waste product, तो मैं direct यहीं से थोड़ा बहुत apply कर लेती हूँ. I hope it's not too much. It's very smooth. Yeah, definitely it is very smooth. It feels like as if I am applying moisturizer on my face. And I'm very sorry guys if you think that this setup is too yellow, but let me just work on it. I mean अभी winters आ गई हैं तो daylight तो बहुत कम मिलता है. Okay, so that is the thing that I don't use daylight now. Okay, it is definitely guys very moisturizing, I would say. I mean definitely if you have skipped your moisturizer per se, मतलब सोच लो अगर आपने गलती से skip कर दिया moisturizer, so this thing is going to give you a really nice glow. And this is not ultra glowing, और ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि आपके face को ये greasy बना रहा है. ठीक है, it is looking very soft. So what I'm going to do is कि 5 minutes I'm going to wait. After 5 minutes I'm going to come back and let's see after that what happens to this face. गाइस 5 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं. नाउ देखते हैं कि ये फेस मेरा कैसा लग रहा है. सो ऑफ कोर्स इट इज लुकिंग क्वाइट प्लम्प. काफी प्लम्पिंग की मुझे फीलिंग हो रही है. एंड या, आई मीन माय फेस इज वेरी मॉइस्चराइज्ड. नाउ वन थिंग आई कैन से दैट ये थोड़ा सा स्टिकी है. या, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. एंड पोर्स ऑब्वियसली नहीं फिल किया है बिकॉज इट्स अ मॉइस्चराइजिंग प्राइमर. सो टिल नाउ इट इज फीलिंग रियली नाइस एंड आई कैन फील दैट इट हैज hyaluronic acid because of the plumpness which I have got on my face over here. So yeah, definitely I think I like it. Now before moving ahead towards the brushes, I think let's swatch the lipstick because my lips are looking so dead and मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता जब मैं अपने आप को बाद में वीडियो में देखती हूँ. तो till now the silk blur primer is I think I am liking it, but I'm not mad about it. ठीक है. Now let's go to the next thing, that is their lipstick. This is their Plume matte lipstick, plush matte lipstick, and again the packaging is very similar to their primer. And again यहाँ पे भी plush matte लिखा हुआ है. Now this lipstick retails for 650 rupees and again you get 2 years का shelf life. This is cruelty free and vegan and Yeah, this is made in India, of course. Now the color which I have is High Tea 110. देखते हैं इसको खोल के. मैंने एक्चुअली लिपस्टिक यूज की हुई है, सो आई नो. नाउ द इनर पैकेजिंग इज सो लक्स. कैन यू सी ऑल द शाइनीनेस गोइंग ऑन? इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. आई मीन इट डजंट लुक दैट दिस इज ड्रग स्टोर. लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. शार्लोट टिल्बरी की मुझे याद दिलाता है. सो पैकेजिंग वाइज दे हैव डन इट. एंड इसका जो ये है ना, ये दिस इज मैग्नेटिक, ठीक है. बट वैसा नहीं है कि यू नो अगर आप इसको रखोगे बैग में तो अपने आप खुल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है. आई रियली लाइक द पैकेजिंग. एंड दिस इज आवर लिपस्टिक. दिस इज व्हाट द शेड लुक्स लाइक. You know, this is gorgeousness in a bullet. So let me just swatch this lipstick for you. Okay, now this is how the swatch looks like. This is a pretty nice brownie mauvey kind of lipstick, and its tip bhi is like typical lipstick only. So let's just apply this and see how it feels. Guys, this lipstick feels so comfortable, feels so soft, and of course the color here look different, and lips पे ये color थोड़ा सा मुझे light लग रहा है अपने लिए. But guys, if you are fairer than me, मेरे से अगर आप fair हो तो of course this lipstick is going to look amazing. The shade, nevertheless, I like the formula. It's very lightweight, and yeah, it's very comfortable. I feel इसके अंदर एक थोड़ी सी हल्की सी खुशबू है, fragrance है which goes away after some time, and after 5 minutes we'll do a transfer test. Here you will get a lot of shades, but I chose this one. But I think this shade is not very good for me. Now let me tell you what they claim in their packaging. They say that this is a unique formula, has jojoba oil, shea butter, and it has full coverage. And this is long lasting, and this is plush matte finish and non-drying on lips. So yes, this is definitely non-drying on my lips. And this is lightweight also. But I don't know if it's very pigmented, because this color is not that pigmented on my lips. So yeah, if you have pigmented lips, I don't think so this color is going to suit you. You can get some different color for you, because clearly this is not a shade which will look flattering on NC42 or above. Now let's do a transfer test, because 5 minutes हो गए हैं. Definitely it will transfer. ठीक है, this will transfer a bit, but this is not ये बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा नहीं है like Maybelline के जो लिपस्टिक्स होते हैं वैसा नहीं है. थोड़ा सा ट्रांसफर होगा, बट आई डोंट माइंड दैट, क्योंकि जो ये लिपस्टिक है दिस इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर दैट मैटर. So let's just move towards the other category, that is their brushes. Now they have a lot of brushes, they have sets, they have a different type of sets, eye sets, face sets. So I just picked 2 brushes जो मुझे लगा कि you know ये दोनों ब्रश है, ये दोनों ब्रश काफी अच्छा काम करेगा. तो first is this one. This is Plume P23, and why I picked it up, because it's a tapered brush. ठीक है, तो इससे ना you can apply powder, you can apply blush, you can apply contour, you can also apply highlighter. So it's a multitasking brush, and you know your girl, I love picking up products जो multitasking होते हैं. I really love the packaging also, looks really cute. And जो दूसरा ब्रश है वो एक आई ब्रश है इस तरीके का. It's a very small precision eye brush. This is P24. Now why I chose this brush, क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे ये फ्लफी ब्रश नहीं है. दिस इज वेरी प्रिसीजन वाला ब्रश. तो आप बिल्कुल अपने कोनों पे अच्छे से प्रिसाइजली कलर को ब्लेंड कर सकते हो इस ब्रश से. और इनटू यू नो क्रिएटिव कट क्रीसेस, तो इस ब्रश को काफी अच्छे से आप यूज कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई लिटिल बिट ऑफ कलर ऑन माई on my eyes, but before that I'll just apply foundation जल्दी से, and उसके बाद मैं आपको इस ब्रश का यूज दिखाऊंगी, and I'll tell you that if it's worth it or not. Alright guys, I have applied foundation, and foundation glided on so smoothly under the prime, like over the primer, क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल दिक्कत नहीं हुई foundation को blend करने के लिए. And I have used Infallible from L'Oreal, and you know ये foundation वैसे ही बहुत अच्छा है. So definitely I am really liking how the foundation is sitting on my face. It's giving the glow. So now let's test this brush out. तो इसका जो primary use है that is to apply powder, because it's a powder brush. And you know look at the shape, it's tapered. तो ये काफी sleek है. ये बहुत अच्छे से you know यहाँ पे आप अच्छे से powder कर सकोगे इसको. So I'm taking a little bit of translucent powder, because you know that way we will get to know that you know ये वाला powder brush कितना अच्छा काम करता है. So I'm just taking the powder over here, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. Alright, so you saw that how this brush is so freaking, I would say, मैं क्या बोल रही थी? Alright, So guys, you saw how precisely this brush applied the product, and it just went inside my under eyes really well. I mean, when I was applying it like so, it wasn't, the powder wasn't all over my face जो मुझे fluffy powder brush से use होता है. जैसे कि you see this is a fluffy brush, so इससे ना पाउडर करना is so difficult. It is good for your overall powder जब आपको हल्का सा पाउडर लगाना हो, बट अगर आपको precisely पाउडर लगाना हो, गर्ल्स दिस इज योर जैम. सो बहुत ओवर एक्टिंग हो गई है, आई नो, बट यू नो दैट्स द थिंग. सो अब मैं लगाऊंगी इससे कॉन्टोर लगा के देखते हैं. सो आई हैव दिस कॉन्टोर फ्रॉम रिमल लंडन. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू swirl द ब्रश ओवर इट एंड प्लीज टैप ऑफ द एक्सेस, बिकॉज ये जो कलर है ना, दिस इज लाइक बहुत ही डार्क कलर. So you see it gives you this precise cut, precise definition to apply the contour, and contour applies so beautifully इस brush से. I used to use the Wet n Wild brush पहले, but I think this is my new favorite now. You guys must have seen I used to use the Wet n Wild, उसका भी tapered brush था, but वो बहुत ना फैला हुआ था. This is not that, the bristles of this is not that much movable, so this just applies the product really nicely. So after this I'm going to apply my blush with the same brush. So I'm going to use Duo from this brand Makeup Revolution. I think we all know about it. So first of all I'm going to use the blush, and I'm going to take it. Again, please tap off the excess because this brush picks up the product really well. You see how precisely this brush is applying the blush as well. I am so impressed. I'm so impressed by this brush. I mean, I'm not going back to use, like, I'm not going back using any other brush now. Yeah, I think that's it. So now you see, just applied the blush so well. Now lastly I'm going to apply highlighter. Yes, I'm going to apply highlighter with this brush only. So I'm going to take the highlighter onto tip, like iske side mein. Again tap off the excess and then apply. Just gives you such a nice overall glow with this brush. I mean, आपका हाइलाइटर फैला हुआ लगेगा. I mean, ऐसा नहीं लगेगा आपने एक जगह लगाया है. It is such a nice, like it is applying the highlighters in such a nice way. Yep. This brush is like, please get it. Any one thing which I would recommend is this brush. It's amazing. Now let's go to the other brush, which is the Plume P24. So with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this blush shade on my crease lightly. So you see, this brush is really good when you want to, you know, blend, or you want to apply some matte color as well, because it is applying this color really nicely. And abhi to I'm not doing any major cut crease, so you won't be able to see, but this is again a small blending brush which is very useful if you are into colorful cut creases. Guys, here I am with the makeup on, and I think this small brush is also really good. Now let me tell you a couple of things about all the products. So let's talk with the primer first. So I think the primer is really moisturizing, and it does hold on to what it says, but I will have to test it out. So I'll have to keep this makeup and मैं बताऊंगी आपको कि ये कैसा work करा last में. Now talking about the lipstick, I'm not very happy with the shade. Formula is really good, so if you can get some other shade, but I'm not very happy with the shade. But again I said कि formula बहुत अच्छा है. It's very lightweight, and yeah, I really like the formula, but the color is not for me. Now talking about, you know, the other brush, this is my favorite out of the lot. One brush which you should get is this one. ठीक है, एक चीज जो आपको लेनी है वो ये है. And now the small brush is also good. कुछ extravagant नहीं है. छोटा brush ढूंढ रहे हो तो you can definitely give this a try. So I will see you guys after some time, and I know this lipstick is not going to stay a lot क्योंकि मैंने ये यूज की थी next day, like the other day, and 2-3 घंटे बाद ये लिपस्टिक बिल्कुल चली जाती है. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि ड्राई नहीं बनाती आपके लिप्स को. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु वांट्स अ मैट लिपस्टिक बट ड्राई नहीं चाहिए, ज्यादा मैट नहीं चाहिए, तो गाइज दिस इज फॉर यू, and I'll see you after some time now. Alright guys, a little check-in. So the lipstick is a little bit gone, and yeah, I used some gloss also, but I'm not very happy with the lipstick. The primer is really good, the brush is really good, so you can definitely go for the tapered brush and the primer. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this. And I'm really loving my makeup today. Yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.